In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you use DealSeek on Amazon. Let's get started. First, launch your DealSeek app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now use the search bar to find the product you want to buy or browse through the available categories and featured deals. Look for offers that include promo codes, coupons, limited time discounts, and price drop alerts. Open the deal to view all the details. If a promo code is available, tap Copy Code. Some deals may not require a code and will instead take you directly to the retailer. Select Shop Now or the Amazon link provided by DealSeek. This will open the product page on Amazon. Choose the product options you want, such as size or color, and add the item to your Amazon shopping cart. If DealSeek provided a promo code, paste it into the gift card and promotional codes field during Amazon checkout. If the Amazon product page has a clickable coupon, make sure to select it before checking out. Review your order to confirm the discount has been applied, then place your order. And that's how you can use DealSeek to help save money when shopping on Amazon. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.